today's date is. And to do that, we'll use the datetime module. So if we import datetime, then we can use a lot more commands. So by default, Python knows print as being a special function or a special word. Python knows for as being a special word and range as being a special word. It's a little bit funny that this Visual Studio Code extension didn't make print the kind of special color, but it definitely knows about for and range. And now with this datetime module, we can use some extra keywords. And to figure out all the keywords that we can use, we can print the kind of directory of this datetime module. So let's go ahead and run this.